Hi, Stuart from Smart Lock Europe here. Today I'm going to show you our new Easy Euro Smart Lock. This is a Bluetooth lock but can also connect to our Wi-Fi bridge for remote control. The other great thing about it is it supports multiple credentials. It's got an integrated keypad, a fingerprint sensor, it'll work with a prox card, and it'll also work from our smartphone app. So here I'll show you how it works. Turn the handle and it opens. Now the other great thing is that this lock will work with existing Euro mortice latches. All you need to do is to remove the existing keyed Euro cylinder that would have been in this door and slide in our handle and fix with the screw and then apply the knob on the other side. This one took me approximately about 2 minutes to fit. It's really quick. Now as I said, it is multi-credential. So if I just turn the deadbolt, I'll show you the keypad. So if I enter a code, it unlocks, and I turn the handle to turn the deadbolt. Now the great thing about using your handle to turn the deadbolt rather than relying on a motor in the lock, it puts a lot less strain on the batteries, and these batteries will probably last around about a year. The other credentials it supports are prox. So we've got a prox card, again, and we can unlock it like so. We've also got the smartphone app, so we can unlock it locally, like so. One thing to be aware of, that this is a internal lock only. It's not IP rated, so you can't install it outdoors. It's got a manual key override, so you can unlock with a key. You also need the key to take this keypad part off to fit the new batteries. There's 4 AA batteries behind there. There's also a 5-volt input as an emergency power if the batteries run out and you didn't have the key to get in. The only other thing I suppose to say is that when you leave the property, you need to activate a credential to lock the door. So if I pull the door shut, obviously it's not locked. So I just enter one of the credentials and manually turn it like so. Wait for it to lock. And then the door is locked. So I'm sure you'll agree it's a great addition to our smart lock product line.